So we see affordable housing not just as a Department of Housing issue or a Human Services issue, but a community-wide issue that impacts all residents of Fairfax County. So Fairfax County's Economic Success Plan has several goals. Many of those goals are tied directly to having price-appropriate housing available to Fairfax County's residents. It's critically important that people are able to live close to where they work so that they can contribute to the local Fairfax County economy. The Affordable Housing Strategic Plan was something that was created by the Board of Supervisors a few years ago, and it was intended to come up with a vision for affordable housing in the county to quantify the housing that would be needed in the next 5, 10, and 15 years, and then what are the resources and strategies that would be needed to accommodate the housing that's needed. So what we've done is we've come up with 2 different phases to the strategic plan. This report that we're releasing is phase 1, which is 25 strategies that can be implemented right after Board of Supervisors approval. They are low-cost, high-impact strategies that cover a range of issues, including land use and zoning, housing for vulnerable populations, different ways that we in county government can streamline our processes, and overall just several different strategies that will ensure that people have more access to housing in the county. Once the Board of Supervisors approves the phase 1 report, we have 25 strategies that we believe that we can complete within 2 years of Board of Supervisors approval. And the second part of the strategic plan will be the phase 2. As I mentioned, there are 2 phases in this strategic plan. Phase 2 will be a longer-term resource and implementation plan where the community at large will have to determine what are the additional resources that are needed to address the 60,000 plus units that will be needed in the next 15 years. For more information about the community-wide housing strategic plan, please visit our website.